sinasacrifice yung nutrition ng anak ko, ng mga anak ko, especially may mga games nila. I want them to be full before and after each game. So pag nag-request si Lucio na, Mama, can you please make me sopica or any one-pot meal. So having your rice cooker with you, you can actually create something magical in a small area in your hotel. If you have a balcony, swerte kasi hindi aamoy yung kwarto mo. Kung wala man sa banyo ka, magdasal ka na lang na walang housekeeping na pupunta. But it is something that's very reliable. And us as Filipinos, hindi tayo nagiging happy pag walang kanin. And I think, given, mahirap pumili kung ano sa mga appliances ng Kiowa, pinaka gusto kong panigan ko. But just to be very honest and truthful, for me, yung rice cooker talaga. Kasi it is something that you leave it and pagbalik mo, perfect yung kanin mo, wala ka na problema.
Thank you, Ms. Judy Ann.
Ano kami mga okay.
Give chance to others. And to the Kiowa team, you made the perfect choice.
Wow!
Thank you. Thank you very much. It's very interesting to me that your answers are always connected to your kids also, no?
Yes.
All about your children. Yes, we have our next question.
Hi Sam. Hi, Julian. Good afternoon. So my name is Gretchen Hatan from MetroEdit.com, and so I have a daughter. She's 3 years old, turning 4, and as a seasoned mom, what recipes can you recommend to somebody like me? I'm not a very good chef in the kitchen, so so medyo hindi ako magaling mag-cook for her, but I would really like for her to learn healthy, teach her as early as now, like healthy recipes, healthy snacks. So for you, like what would you recommend to a new mom like me? And like what products from Kiowa would you use also, so maybe I can use them also?
Well, of course, I've said that the rice cooker, that's a must that we need to have at home kasi, again, rice is life. The air fryer, I would recommend for healthy cooking. It is also something that's pretty much very safe for the kids na i-introduce sa kanila when it comes to cooking. We also have waffle makers. Yung waffle maker, you can make it oatmeal banana pancakes, and sometimes you can make pancakes with some shredded carrot para mukha siyang banana carrot bread. Inserting vegetables in your kids' food while including them in the kitchen while cooking makes for them to appreciate what they're gonna eat kasi katulong ka nilang gumawa, they know what's in their food, and you actually show them that I trust you using these products and items because I know you're gonna be safe, because I trust Kiowa so much that I know in my heart and in my mind, pag iniwan ko yung mga anak ko using the Kiowa items or Kiowa appliances, it's very easy to understand. It's very easy to use. It is something na wala kang maraming kailangang intindihin para magamit siya. That is, I think, one of the main reasons why Kiowa has been here for the longest time, because it's not difficult to understand.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gretchen. No, I mean, these products being intuitive is so important. No, parang if it's complicated to figure out, my gosh.
Ang dami na kasing appliances na ang dami nilang gustong patunayan. Hindi mo na naiintindihan kung anong gagawin mo kasi. Eh, dami ng 3-in-1, 4-in-1, 25-in-1. Kasi hindi mo na, ayaw mo na magluto, order ka na lang sa labas. So I think I'd still go back on the basic cooking, basic appliances. Just so you'd be able to appreciate these little details that you make in the kitchen.
The classics are classic for a reason, you know.
Yep.
And cooking with your kids, such a fun activity which makes them feel so fulfilled also. Thank you so much again, Gretchen. We have our next question, please.
Hi, Juday. I'm Salve. Juday, ano mas na-enjoy mo? Ano yung nahirapan ka? Yung pagiging chef, actress, or pagiging producer? Tapos, as a chef, ano yung ultimate dream?
Ultimate dream as a chef?
Yeah, ultimate dream.
Yung first, at ito sa akin, Tita ate? Ate, saan ako pinaka nahihirapan when it comes to everything I do in my life? Well, actually, in all honesty, wala naman mahirap. May challenges, yes. Yung hirap, I think it is something na for me, hindi ko iniisip kaya hindi ko siya nararamdaman. But more on, I think of it as a challenge para I could give my best in any part of my work. It may be a celebrity endorser, it could be as a mom or a wife or as a chef. I take it as a challenge. So, because I learn from it, in everything that I do, I really make it a point that I learn something from it. Ano pa yung hinahanap ko or ano pa yung dream ko of becoming a chef? Wow! Sige, suntok sa buwan, wala namang masamang mangarap. I really wanted to put up my own little school and teach kids. Someday, probably, hopefully, because maraming mga, and new moms, mga takot sa kusina, probably, looking back at the comments of Julian's Kitchen, I see new moms, I see college students na nag-enjoy watching Julian's Kitchen and that they basically napapasaya sila ng channel. Pero in my mind, why not create a community that I could actually teach people to not be scared in taking a risk inside the kitchen and actually learn a skill, because cooking is a survival skill. It is something that we have to learn, be it you're a single mom or a single person, maaaring dalaga ka, binata ka, but cooking for yourself is very important. Kailangan hindi na yan, kaya mong magpakulo ng tubig.